Hello. Can you see and hear me clearly? Okay, my name is Teacher Ina. How about you? What is your name? You are Anna. Wow. Anna, how old are you? You are 6 years old. Okay, great. Anna, how are you feeling today? Are you happy or are you sad? You are happy. Okay, that's great to hear. Oh, teacher is happy too. Thank you for asking, Anna. It's nice to meet you. Okay, now, Anna, are you ready for our class today? Okay, so if you're ready, can you please look and listen to teacher? All right, Anna, I welcome you to our Poly English class. So, what can you see in the picture? Hmm, what can you see? A bird. Very good. Can you say, I see a bird? Great job, Anna. Now let's read this one together, okay? All right. Can only birds fly? Very good, Anna. Now let us move to the next page. Look at that. There are so many animals in the picture. But first, let us read. What animals do you know? Very good, Anna. Now, can you circle the animal that you know? Okay, repeat after teacher. Okay, so the animal that I know, it's a monkey. Can you say, it's a monkey? Great job. Now it's your turn, Anna. What animals do you know? Can you circle them? Circle. Oh, you know that animal. What is it, Anna? It's a giraffe. Great job. Look, I have here a giraffe. What can you see in the body part of the giraffe? It has very good. Oh, it's nice to be a giraffe. It can get the things even if it's high. Okay, now Anna, what animals do you know? Can you circle them? What is it, Anna? It's a dog. Great job. Do you love dogs? Yes, you do. Oh, a teacher loves dogs too. Now, what animals can you still see in the picture? Can you circle them? What animals do you know? Oh, what animal is it, Anna? It's a penguin. Very good. Now let's walk like a penguin. Walking, walking. Okay, great job, Anna. Now, Anna, what animal is this? Do you know this animal? Yes or no? Yeah, so what animal is this, Anna? It's a tiger. Great job. Have you seen a tiger before? Yes? Where have you seen a tiger? Oh, in the zoo. What a great experience. Now look at the picture. What animal do you know? Can you circle? Circle? Oh, what animal is it, Anna? It's a cat. Do you love cats? Hmm? Do you love them? Oh, why? Why do you love them? They're cute and they meow, meow, meow so cutely. That's why you love them. Okay. How about this last animal? Do you know this animal, Anna? The big animal? Oh, you don't? Okay, can you say elephant? One more time. Elephant. Great job, Anna. It's an elephant. Very good. Wow, you know most of the animals in this picture. And because of that, I will give you A snack. Here's a cupcake for you. Open your mouth. Yum, 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 yummy. Wow. Now let's move to the next page. Look. What can you see in this picture? What can you see? A bird. Great job. Can you say, I see a bird? Okay, now Anna, let's read this one together. Hi there. Are you a bird? Great job, Anna. And the bird answered, yes, I am an owl. Owls are birds. Okay, now Anna, what animal is this? Owl, very good. Can you say owl? Very good, Anna. Anna, are owls birds? Okay, very good. Owls are birds. Wow, that is great, Anna. I will give you another star. Here's a good job star for you. Great job, Anna. Now let's move to another page. Look, what can you see in the picture? Owl, very good. Now let's say that one more time. Owl. Okay, now let's say it 3 times. Owl, owl, owl. Great job, Anna. Now let's move to the next page. What can you see in this picture? How many owls can you see? Let's count, Anna. One. Very good. 2 owls. Can you say? There are 2 owls. Great job. Now let's say this 3 times. Owls, owls, owls. Very good, Anna. Now let's move to another page. Look. Let us read this one together. Owls are birds. Okay, one more time. Owls are birds. Okay, now Anna, are owls birds? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Owls are birds. Great job, Anna. I will give you another snack. Here's a donut for you. Open your mouth. Yummy donut. Now let's move to another page, Anna. Look, there is an owl, but it is missing its wings. Can we help the owl get his wings back? Okay, now can you drag the wings of the owl? Drag. Great job. One more, Anna. Okay, very good. Now let's read this one. Owls have got wings. Great job, Anna. Now, these owls got wings? Yes or no? Yes, very good, Anna. Now, let us look at this and let's watch the video, okay? Okay. Oh, what have you seen in the video? Now, Anna, can owls fly? Can owls fly? Yes, very good. Can you say, yes, owls can fly? Okay, now let's fly like an owl. Fly, fly, fly. Okay, great job, Anna. Very good. And I will give you one more star. Here's an awesome star for you. Great job, Anna. Now, look and read the sentences, okay? Let's start with the first one. Owls Are birds. Very good. Now the second one. Owls have got wings. Very good. For the last one. Owls can fly. Very good. Such a great job, Anna. Now, owls are birds. Owls have got wings, and owls can fly. Very good. You are such a clever and smart kid, Anna. Wow, you've got 3 stars, a fantastic star, a good job star, and an awesome star. And you also got snacks from teacher, donut, and cupcake because you are such a clever kid. Wow. Applause for Anna. Yay. You are such a smart kid, Anna. And I hope to see you next time in my class. Goodbye.